Over the past decade, social media has rapidly transformed into our society's main communication platform. Users not only use social media networks to communicate with others, but also use it as a form of entertainment and news source. Currently, in 2016, 78% of Americans have a social media account, which is drastic growth from the 24% of Americans in 2008. Due to the fact that social media networks are continuously gaining users, they are accumulating the power to alter the forms in which we communicate. The way in which these social networks are structured does impact the way in which users display themselves and post certain things. Social media networks are constructed in a way so users can gain and add followers as well as obtain likes for their posts. The most popular social media networks, which are Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, all have a like button on each post as well as a commentary box where people can leave comments on the posts. We as users don't pay much attention to the effects of like buttons and commentary boxes, even though they are implicating ways for us to evaluate each other. This is a psychological aspect of social media in which it is formatting communication platforms that make users want to gain positive feedback and approval, otherwise known as social currency. As users gain social currency, their minds are triggered and set to constantly try to achieve more likes and positive feedback from their posts. Since users are on these networks that are formatted to encourage the desire for social currency, they are learning that the more likes and followers that they attain, the better they feel about themselves, leaving users to believe that popularity and fame will make them happy, thus resulting in social media users strive to constantly gain followers and reach that level of social fame via social networks. It seems that popularity can be acquired through social media solely by obtaining a large number of likes and followers, which may be the case. In order to reach the level of fame, a post must appeal to an audience emotion or be entertaining. No matter how pointless or incoherent something may be, as long as it displays some talent or is funny or ironic, it can reach a social media level of fame or virality. The usual ways in which something gains fame through social media is from viral videos and memes. Viral videos and memes are now what controls what becomes popular and choose what will be trending instead of depending on old ways of pop culture, when a group would appoint what is popular. The spread of viral videos and memes through the internet influences what people decide is popular, which is then embedded in our pop culture. Social media users are now the ones in charge of choosing what is popular by collectively liking, sharing specific photos and videos, basically leading pop culture to be a mimicry culture. We are now getting our entertainment from these memes and videos instead of watching TV shows and movies. Instead of watching those classic funny home video shows, we now post and like photos in which something funny is occurring. Photo memes and videos are now replacing our old form of entertainment and are spreading even faster through the internet, which are then producing more viral trends within our culture. Many of the social media sites are the oranges for viral trends, but the specific ones that I have encountered were via Instagram. Instagram solely focuses on posting photos or videos, which of course makes it the perfect setting for spreading viral content. Not only are videos and memes becoming trends in our culture, but the use of hashtag has also introduced a new form of text speak that our society has easily grasped. Just like using abbreviations and text like jargon when sending messages from our cell phone, social media networks have established a new language set, which with the use of hashtags can spread phrases and topics in an instant. Hashtags start an open thread of similar content. Once somebody starts a hashtag, it is then out on social media for others to continue the use of that hashtag and continue the spread of a new dialogue or trend. For example, the hashtags Throwback Thursday, Man Crush Monday, Flashback Friday are essentially embedding a schedule for users to use these hashtags on specific days of the week, which then becomes a custom trend within our culture. These hashtags are then spread out through all other social media sites that continue to ingrain them in our usual way of speaking and get established as slang within our culture. As hashtags contain the tremendous power to spread information and become viral, they have easily started other trends such as challenges and goals for users to do. The most recent viral challenge that has been spreading is the Running Man Challenge. This is another dance challenge which has recently been trending and has caused many users to continue the spread of the specific dance by posting a video of themselves doing the dance and using the hashtag. The two young men who started the dance craze have received a lot of attention and have even been invited to make an appearance on The Ellen Show. This shows how the new way of becoming famous is now in the hands of social media users. The road to becoming a celebrity can now be simply achieved through the masses and social media. One of the most significant celebrities to emerge from social media sharing is, of course, Justin Bieber. Bieber's mother posted a video of him singing at a local singing competition on YouTube so that his friends and family could watch it. But social media works pretty fast as the video started to gain more and more viewers, which eventually led Bieber's manager, Scooter Braun, to come across one of his videos. At that point, Bieber had become discovered, and as wise as his manager was, they continued to use social media to market Bieber out to the world, causing such a huge Bieber fever phase in 2008. Many other well-known viral stars have emerged from social media, especially YouTube, which has even led to them having their careers. Many makeup vloggers such as Jaclyn Hill, Manny MUA, Jeffree Star all started making makeup tutorials on YouTube, which has now led them to being sponsored by several makeup brands such as Benefit Cosmetics, Morphe, and Lush. Their names are now well known in the makeup world, which has opened up the doors for them to collaborate with makeup brands to produce their own line of products as well as start up their own cosmetics line. Roseanne Pansino is the star of the most popular baking channel on YouTube, as she has over 6 million subscribers, which has led to her success. She now has a cookbook being sold in the US and in other countries like Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom, which can be purchased online and in Targets in the US. These are all examples showing how the business world has now entered into social media, establishing a new relationship between the two. The relationship between business and social media can be expressed through the use of fad culture. Businesses are aware that social media networks are the prime environment to market to consumers, which is why they use social media to their advantage to spread new fads. The fad culture in social media consists mainly of challenges like the Running Man Challenge that I previously talked about. One of the most effective fads that turned into an annual trend was the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. The ALS Ice Bucket Challenge started in the summer of 2014 in the efforts to raise awareness and funds for the ALS treatments and cures research. The challenge consisted of people making and uploading videos of themselves dumping a bucket of ice water over their heads and then challenging 3 other people to do the same. The fun fad had now developed into an annual trend that raises funds for the ALS organization, which in 2014 alone raised over 100 million donations. As businesses know that social media is the platform for large mass audiences, they approach the famous social media figures and use them to advertise and endorse their products and services. As previously mentioned, this gives social media stars or cyber celebrities the opportunities to get connected and sponsored by companies to endorse and advertise their products. Celebrity culture through social media has become very distinct, as it is fairly easy to become viral and gain fame in social media. There are many nano celebrities emerging and disappearing from the spotlight. Celebrity culture is continuing to grow, perhaps in quantity over quality, causing an abundance in pop culture figures. Since celebrity culture and pop culture are pretty much one and the same, celebrities easily have the power to influence people through social media. Well-known celebrities like Beyoncé are capable of starting new trends through social media as they already have a large number of followers. In her most recent single, Formation, Beyoncé frequently uses the word slay, meaning to conquer or succeed amazingly in something, which has now become a widely used pop culture slang term. In a sense, social media is now the generator of pop culture. As social media is essentially mass media, it is the medium in which people receive and put out messages. It is up to us, the users, to acknowledge the effects being made throughout our use of social media, so that we do not get confined into the structures and the ideas of social media networks.